AUTEC Rice Mixer, ASM780. Spray AUTEC oil inside the drum. Press the power button. Select one of 4 courses. Reprogramming course settings is unnecessary, as it can memorize up to 4 patterns. Please refer to the operation manual for further details. Place freshly cooked rice into the drum bowl and pour sushi vinegar over the rice. Press the start button for the mixing to begin. A notification alarm will sound 6 to 7 minutes later when the mixing is complete. Automatically dispense mixed rice by selecting the Auto Feed option before mixing. Be sure to place the rice box under drum in advance when using the Auto Feed function. In case of an emergency, push the emergency stop knob to halt operations. To resume, pull out the knob and press the clear button. Remove the following parts for cleaning: stirring bar, drum, and filter. Use a soft sponge to wash parts. Effortless operation with consistent quality. AUTEC Rice Mixer, ASM780.